Hello, this is Leo Page at MarineMax in downtown Fort Walton Beach, Florida, and today I'm going to show you aboard our pre-owned Sea Ray 240 Sundancer. The first thing you'll notice is all brand new interior upholstery, wet bar, large rear bench seat, cockpit table, nice trunk on the transom for storage of dock lines, shore power with air conditioning, easy boarding through the companionway, 2-person helm seat with flip-up bolster, GPS oversized bimini top that matches the exterior of the boat, easy boarding to the bow through the split windshield and integrated steps. Coming down below, you have a large cabin that a full-grown man can stand up inside, berth to the front and to the rear, berth to the rear, galley with microwave, refrigerator, and stove. And then an oversized wet bath head compartment. This boat's in extremely good condition inside and out. Come by MarineMax in downtown Fort Walton Beach, Florida today and ask for Leo Page to see the Gulf Coast's largest selection of new and pre-owned Sea Rays. Or you can reach me directly, 407-394-7623.